for TV commercials. Most of the shots we do, we literally say, go, and everything is just a program. With robots, we could control when each of those layers of food starts falling. People see the final commercial and they're like, but they see the behind the scenes, they're like, oh my God, that's so cool. My name is Steve Giralt. I run the production company, The Garage, here in Brooklyn. We mostly do just TV commercials for usually huge global clients like Hershey's and Pepsi and Coke. Tabletop cinematography has been traditionally very closed, very top secret, black box kind of thing. And I was just like, look, I'm going to do this and I'm going to show exactly how I did it and put it on the internet. It's real food, real beverage in front of the camera versus like CGI, computer generated 3D stuff. And it's honestly, it's an artwork. It's just we do it to sell stuff and make people hungry and want to have another piece of chocolate or have more chicken wings. Most of the stuff we shoot is done on a Phantom camera, which is, it's a $100,000 camera. It'll do 1,000 frames a second slow motion.
I could sure use a glass of red wine.
Moving the camera, moving the things in front of the camera is a mix of using 6-axis industrial robots that have been repurposed for doing film and cinema, and using those also to like launch fluids and launch food. These robots will repeat the same exact movement to the T every single time. Let's say the burger, we could control when each of those layers of food starts falling. And with that, we know exactly where the camera will be because it's all robotic. Most of the shots we do, we literally say, go, like big button that just like go, and everything is just a program. Humans could try to pour something the same way every time, but they might pour it right, but their timing would be wrong. Or, there's just too many variables with humans. We're messy people.
Thank you, robot. Cheers.
We actually build our own lights because we're working in this high-speed, slow-motion kind of world. You need a lot of light, like it's blinding amount of light. Like sometimes we have to wear like welding goggles, like on set, not even kidding.
People often message me and say, I want to do amazing slow-motion, precision, high-speed focus pulls and awesome explosions just like you do. But I don't have a Phantom, or I don't have knowledge in rigging, or I don't have a robot. Can I still do that? There's a simple answer. No, you can't.
Obviously, we're pushing very sugary things a lot of times. So, to try to balance that out, I want to do a few more kind of pro bono shoots where kind of going back to the roots of like, what is food about? Because I feel like so many people and kids are just like so disconnected from where their food comes from. Here at The Garage, we're taking that kind of seriously.